Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere competition. So now there are a lot of metrics that shows up when you're searching for a keyword on keywords everywhere, and one of them is competition. So you have the volume, you have the CPC, you have the competition, you have the trend. So basically the competition here is not the competition of organic traffic or people competing your competitors or anything like that. Okay. You know, the data, the information that Keywords Everywhere is using to show you statistics and metrics are pulled from Google Keyword Planner and Clickstream. Okay. So now, when pulling those data from Google Keyword Planner is basically for advertisers. Advertisers are advertising on Google. Okay. So they use keywords to advertise. So the competition there represents the number of advertisers that are competing, that are advertising using that keyword. Okay. So the higher the competition, the higher number of people that are advertising for that keyword on Google search engine. Okay. So now the Google search engine system competition works in a bidding format. So if 10 advertisers are running adverts on a particular keyword, like let's say how to make money online, and they are running an advert for that, the competition of that keyword will show a higher percentage. And on Google keywords everywhere, it's from 0 to 1, okay? Which means 1 is high, a high competition, and zero point 0.5, 0.8, 0 point something like that means they are lower. Then 0 entirely means that the competition is almost zero. Like advertisers are not bidding for that keyword. Advertisers are not running adverts for that keyword. Okay. So it does not represent the competition on this organic search, but rather for advertisers bidding on Google AdWords or on Google Ads. Okay. So the next time you see the competition, that is what it means. So that'll be all for now in this. Okay, so as you can see here, competition. The competition is a gauge of the number of advertisers that are running ads on Google AdWords for this specific keyword. The number goes from 0 to 1, with lower value signifying less number of advertisers and higher value signifying more advertisers. Okay, so the next time you see that, you know what it means. So that'll be all for now, guys. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.